Is your Frenchie snoring like a tiny motor? Don't worry, it's usually normal. French Bulldogs have flat faces and short noses. This makes air struggle to pass through their tiny nostrils, creating those funny, loud snores. It's part of their charm. Here's how to help. Keep them at a healthy weight. Elevate their head with a comfy dog bed. Clean nose folds before bedtime. Use vet-approved dental chews for fresher breath. Snoring is normal, but if your Frenchie struggles to breathe or collapses, call your vet right away. Love your snoring Frenchie. Give them comfort and care. They deserve it.